Hey, NASDAQ, where you get the best dope on the markets. USDA today, August. I am your host, Alan Palmer. We're going to talk some grains here. Look at this corn here. We're late in the day, 10 minutes to 1 p.m. Here you can see corn. We had a USDA, okay, and this was everything popped. As a matter of fact, look at beans. They got up 30 cents on the day, right up under 12 bucks. Set back down here. Let's look. These are soybeans, bottom left-hand quarter. Okay, these were my. This was my apex. Remember that right around here. It doesn't show here. Let me go a little bit longer term. Okay, this is. So this is a downward sloping trend line 2-buy. Okay, this blue one, and this one is from last fall. Okay. Coming back from here, doesn't play really at all here. Holds here. Here you can make an argument, and now here we are back above here. Okay, we have we had a drone attack on a Russian port. Okay, and it sounds like a large grain facility. It's called Novorussk. Okay, and that is in the wheat here. Wheat was up 20 cents last night. Okay, this is the wheat down here, this 627 level. I talked about it here. Remember that? I had one guy, we bought 27s, 26 in the goats was the low. We rallied 30 cents, okay, up here, and we come back down. Here, and we hold 27. Close, okay. I have some things right here, okay. This is this area I like. We gap up, we do this. This was the report here. Came back. Listen, this is just a little tiny olive line. I'm searching here, and here we are approaching the highs late. Let's go to corn here. Okay, we're at 480. Okay, remember 460 and a half? Those powder blues. Okay. Back and forth, high, low, and then here, this is this morning. This is a, what is this? This is a 12-minute chart here. Okay, here you can see a couple of these sevens here. There's a buy program. You broke about 2 cents. Report comes out. You get your break. And here we are on the upside here. Let's look at corn here on a daily. Okay. This is really kind of wild here because we're in August. And, you know, we'll see here. If we ever get over 505, you know, long term speaking here. But in the meantime, August is when beans are made. Okay. Also another reason for buyers to be apprehensive. But we mute the news. Okay. And you buy the lines. And actually, this was one of these examples. If you bought it yesterday, okay, you get a little bit of a lead. You come in today higher. Okay, we did happen to have news, but that you're already long when you're playing levels here. This is the corn right down here. We had some levels here. No big deal. As a matter of fact, that red right there, wow, look at that. This is the 50-day moving average. Okay, so now we're back over all of them. Last time we came up here to 492. I do have some 495 offers here, man. Okay, another day like today, those orders will get filled if one is looking to sell corn on a rally. Hedge your crop. Here's meal up here on top here. Yeah, that's crude over to the left. This is like the biggest rally I've seen here. Let's go to a daily. That's a weekly chart there, so we got lower weeklies. Okay, so here. Look at this. You'd really be splitting hairs here. You might have taken out a previous high and then go outside down, okay? Here, you almost again here, you a little smaller, lower high, okay? Got lower under the powder blues here. Anyway, today, you know, 33 was the high over there. That was an olive. And what did we get down to? 03, 06. Okay, so about a $27 break. Pretty big move, you know, right? $33 would be 10%. So here's the bean oil here. This is a weekly here. Also here, let me go to a daily. Okay, this is bean oil here. You know, crude traded back up to 84.40 here. I'll go there in a second, give you a chance to, oh boy. Here's the column in here. Do I have to go back and look here? Sorry about that. Here you had, what was this? Almost an outside down day here. This is inconclusive here. You know, it's inconclusive here. So this was an olive of an olive, and these are big olives over here. Until they're taken out, here you got a gap over here, 71.17 in the bean oil. Okay, this is what the meal looks like. This is, okay, we looked at all these. And here, let me, in case my scale was missing here on the corn, this is another look at corn. You can freeze the frame if you want to just look at a couple of those numbers. Okay, the numbers are pivots, okay? We're out here, I'm doing these educational videos. And so if you need something, cattle finally breaking here a little bit here. We're getting, as a matter of fact, in the October cattle here, we got a powder blue. Just that was last week's low here. So anyway, email me, arp@nasdog.com. You need daily chart service, okay? These are CQG charts, top notch. All right, arp@nasdog. Thanks for watching. Always use a risk stop to stop the risk.